Hello everyone, welcome to the Truck Driver Guy, guys. And today, guys, I want to tell you guys something about trucking that might encourage you, or maybe somebody gonna be happy, somebody is not gonna be happy about it. But I will tell you guys some advice about trucking. By the way, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, feel free to comment. About 90%, actually 98% of my viewers, they're not subscribed to the channel. Yes, guys, 98% are not subscribed to the channel. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment, be active, ring the bell for the notifications. I would really appreciate it, guys. So, guys, here is my advice for you guys, or maybe my recommendation to you guys as a truck drivers. If you're not a truck driver, or if you're gonna become a truck driver, it doesn't matter. Always strive for being an owner operator. I explain you why, guys. Most of the companies, they only pay 30%. Well, they say they pay 30%, but in reality, they might pay you only 20%, because they're not gonna tell you realistically how much money they get in for the load. Let's say they will get a load, let's say $10,000, maybe $15,000. They'd be like, you know what, we got this load for $7,000. You're not gonna do nothing about it. You cannot check. If they're gonna tell you, oh, we're gonna send you a confirmation number, it doesn't matter. They're just gonna fix the number and send you the confirmation. And again, when you're a company driver, nobody gonna send you a confirmation number. Nobody gonna let you talk to the broker about the money and stuff, because you're just a driver. Yeah, guys, so a lot of companies, I wouldn't say 100% of the companies, but a lot of companies, probably a huge majority of them, they lie on the rates. So the best, try to be an owner operator, even though they still, you know, you're still not gonna get full rates. But at least you will get more than 30% at the end of the day. Because when market go up, you would make a lot more than, you know, like 30%. And if market go down, you're not gonna make less than a driver. So yeah, guys, this is my recommendation to you guys. And, you know, just company drivers are this is the bottom of the chain. If you're a company driver, you're pretty much just making the least out of your time, out of everything. This is the bottom of the bottoms. You're pretty much just surviving. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Take care. See you in the next video.